guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This look is totally giving me mermaid vibes and like festival vibes, but I really like how it came out. It is like totally out of my comfort zone. But on my all the palette tag video, it was requested that I did a little tutorial using this little Sephora palette, and then on my fire inspired cut crease video, it was requested again by the same person, Vanessa Loves the Makeup. Her channel will be linked down below, but she requested that I did something blue and purple with like using the same techniques. So I thought, why not kill two birds with one stone and just use this palette, because this palette actually has like really pretty purples and blues, as you can see. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So my eyebrows are done and my eyelids are primed. I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I think I used the shade Chocolate because I ran out of my NYX Micro Brow. Set it with the Maybelline Brow Fibers, and I primed with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. So today I'm going to be using this Sephora palette. It was actually requested a while on my All the Palettes tag video that I used this. And then on my fire inspired tutorial, it was requested that I did something similar to that, but with purples and blues. So I thought I would use this because this palette has a lot of purples and blues, so that is what we're going to be doing today. So bear with me when it comes to me holding up this palette because it is really big and bulky. So I'm going to try to do my best to show you guys like what shadows I'm using. I think I'm going to just start off with like a really neutral shade, and I'm just going to use can you see this shade right down here, just so I can get something in the crease and act as like a transition slash like setting shade. For the crease, I'm going to use mostly purples, I think. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this light purple shade right here, and this is just going to go in the crease like I said. Just remembered that this side was like broken in the palette, so it just slides right out, so now I can hold it easier. So I'm now going to go in with this shade right here and the shade right next to it, and I'm just gonna pop that in the crease now, just so that darker purple can just deepen it up a little bit. Next, I'm just gonna pick up this purple and then the purple next to it, and I think I'm gonna go in with this purple right here. And again, just going to pop this in the crease, but I'm gonna try to keep this shade a little closer to the eyelid. Now, just to deepen it up, I'm going to go this color, this color, this color, and this purple. I'm not going to go on with this purple because this one right here, this darker one, is like really kind of shimmery. So now I'm just going to pop these all in the crease, keeping the darkest shade, again, like closer to the eyelid. Next, I'm going to use my handy dandy Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going to actually go in with this deep purple shade right here because I totally forgot about it. And I'm just going to really focus this shade in the crease so I can get like that really nice like depth in there. And to apply it, I'm just going to kind of look straight ahead and kind of just carve out my eye shape. And then I'm just going to take this side of the brush and just blend everything nicely together. I meant together nicely. So you're just going to want to take concealer. Use any concealer that you like. I've just been liking this e.l.f. one, and this is like a duo undid one. This is the concealer, and then this is a highlighter. So I'm going to go in with the concealer side, and I'm just going to dot this on my eyelid and then look straight ahead. And can you see if like there's like that one little spot? That's where I'm going to want to blend the concealer out. And I'm just going to take this BH brush and kind of just look straight ahead again, just so I can get a better idea. And I'm just going to carve out my eye. Okay, so now is the fun part. One thing I forgot to mention with the concealer is it doesn't have to be perfect. This eye isn't perfect at all. It's fine. You're going to go in with concealer, or you're going to go in with eyeshadow anyway to cover it all up. So no one's going to know, you know? And you're just going to, we'll eventually blend it all together so you won't even know that, like, it's not perfect, if you get what I'm saying. So now I'm going to take a dome brush and I'm going to go in with some blues, and I think I'm going to use like some of these 4 blues right here because I'm not a fan of like these like navy blue shades. I don't know why. So to start, I'm going to go in with this one right here. It's like this really pretty, like, it's more like a seafoam color. And I'm just going to place this in like the inner corner area. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to kind of stamp it like this. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with like a darker blue shade, or I'll just go in with this one, the one that's like right below it, and I'm just going to kind of blend it in with the first blue shade, so like this. And then I'm going to take the shade right under this one. And again, I'm just going to kind of just stamp it on the lid. And next, because I'm kind of just running out of lid space, I'm going to go in with that deep purple. Where did it go? This one right here. And I'm just going to fill in like the whole outer V. So there are some like patches that I didn't quite get. So I'm going to go in with this smaller brush. It's kind of like a lip brush, I guess. I have no clue. And I'm just going to go in with all the blues and kind of just fill in where I missed. And now I'm going in with the second shade. And now I'm going in with that third blue shade. And last but not least, I'm going in with that purple. So next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with this end of the brush and not put anything on it. And I'm just going to kind of go in the crease and just look straight ahead in the mirror and just kind of like trace out my crease one last time. And that'll make sure that all the crease colors kind of like mesh together with the lid colors. Next, I want to just add a little bit of like oomph to the look. So I'm going to go in with this NYX Crystal Liquid Crystal Liner in the shade Crystal Hip. This is a pretty glitter liner and I just love it. It's like it's like almost like holographic, but not really. I don't know. I'm just going to put it on my eyelid by my lash line. Next, I'm going to go in with this NYX eyeliner in the shade Baby Blue, and I'm going to pop this in my waterline. Alright, so I just primed my face and added some concealer really quick so I can just show you guys my under eyes on camera. Now I'm just going to take pretty much all of the crease colors on this little pencil brush and I'm just going to sweep this on the lower lash line. Okay, so I really didn't know what I wanted to do for lips, so I'm just going to stick with something safe, and I'm just going to go in with No Shade from Dose of Colors. This is from the Desi and Katy collab. And then I'm going to put Creme Brulee from the NYX Butter Gloss line on top. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. I love getting your suggestions. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!